welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. I am finally back. I know it's been forever. It's been over a month, maybe 2 months since the last time I actually filmed something and I spoke to you guys. I've been doing a lot of looks for, Instagram. We started my school series for 2020 already over on my Instagram. I think I only have one at this point. I haven't done any more, but I'm thinking of which way I want to go with them. I don't know if I want to go crazy with them and like add all these props and add all these extra work. I don't know if I want to do that yet. I might. I'm just gonna keep them simple and easy for people to hopefully so that people are less scared to try them. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get this started. I was swatching a couple colors, as you can tell, and I liked this two colors. Can you tell? This is a bad angle. I think that's the way I want to go today. If you guys have brows, you can do your brows. If you don't have brows either, hey, what's up? I'm pretty sure this look that I'm gonna do is something kind of wild, but you guys can tone it down all you want. I'm gonna start off with this little one. Do you guys remember when I did my review on this? I still have it. It's the same one. We're gonna coat our eyelids. Yes, they're called eyelids. Just that's way too much. Am I too low? There we go. I think you guys are better there. Make sure that you blend out your edges. Start off with my Luxie 209. And I'm gonna go in with a taupey purpley shade. It's this color right here. That's our transition shade. Long crease brush, and I'm gonna use it to diffuse the outer edges of this shadow. I'm gonna start pulling it down up into the beginning of my brow right here. Add more color right there, and I'm gonna blend it out. Oh yeah, the palette is my Opposites Attract palette from the Balm. Did you guys buy into the collection from Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock? Because I did. I bought the brushes and I bought the setting powder. This is one of them. Look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. We're gonna use Hot Fudge. We're gonna add that color to this blend that we already have going on here. We're gonna diffuse it with this brush. Obviously, it doesn't have any color. I haven't added any more color to this. We're gonna start pulling this and making it. My leg is just like. I'm gonna start pulling it out this way. Oh, my leg is my leg is just like. Ooh. I'm ready to start adding more darkness to this eye. I'm gonna go in with my KVD Vegan Beauty palette, Shade and Light Icon. This has 5 billion names in front of it, so you know which one it is, the eye contouring one. It's broken. We all know this. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna go in with this shade and Shax. Shax or Sax? I want to call it Shax because there's an SHAX. Shax. The black from this palette. Okay, I'm gonna use these two shades to deepen this a little bit more. We're gonna add this the same way that we added the other ones, pretty much at the same place. We're just darkening this a little bit. I'm gonna go back with the same first brush and we're just gonna diffuse the edges. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a black shade now, but I'm gonna use this dome-like brush. We're gonna start adding it to the outer V portion over here. I found another dark shade that I can use. I think I'm going to use a different brush for that though. I'm going to go in with the smaller brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. And I'm going to go in with my Essence palette. I'm with the Band palette. And we're going to go in with, what's my age again? That's fucking, it's a weird name for a shade. But So we're gonna go in with this shade. It's a little shimmery, but it doesn't really matter. We're gonna add it to this part right here, the outer V again. I'm gonna go with a smaller brush. This is an Equal Tools brush. This is a very small, tiny, very fine brush. And I'm gonna use Shax. I still can't get over that fucking name. And add it specifically right here because we're trying to make this be smoky. And I think I'm gonna add that purple shade that I wanted to use. It's a bare mineral shade. It's just a shimmery purple shade. I'm just trying to add it just to see where I am gonna need more color and if I'm gonna need to add anything else. I'm gonna go in with another Equal Tools brush. We're gonna add more black just to deepen that outer corner. Let me diffuse the edges. I feel like I should have cut the crease. Now I think I know what I'm gonna do. Kind of trying to cut the crease with it a little bit. I'm using NYX Cosmetics glitter primer. Okay, so like that, and then we're gonna go back with our shade. That way I'm gonna add that shade right there. Oh, that's much better. I'm gonna add more black with a different brush, and this time I'm gonna use a single shadow by Wet n Wild. It's called Panther. Look at that. Make sure you pull it down right here in the inner part just a little bit, just to be cohesive with the cut crease. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my mini breaker again, and I'm gonna add Oral. Fucking names, dude. It's very close to the same shade that I have on my eyes. This is just lighter, and it has more of a blue undertone. Let me go do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be back to tell you guys how to do the rest. So I watched some of the clips, and I noticed that there's a discrepancy with the sound, so I might have to just voice over the whole thing. I'll try to salvage as much as I can, but I can't promise you guys everything. So now we're gonna do our complexion. Okay, back to the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go back with my opposite subtract palette, and I'm gonna go in with the same first shade, and I'm gonna go underneath, like right there. Let me go find my trusty blending brush with nothing on it. And I'm gonna diffuse the edges. I'm gonna go again with Hot Fudge, just a smidge, and I'm gonna use it to deepen this lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with the same little brush to add the black. Do you guys see it? It's sharper. Now for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this other shade, and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna go in the inner corner right there, both sides. I'm gonna go in with another brush and just try to blend it a little bit. Make sure it gets blended in on both sides. You guys would be surprised how many times I've done this kind of look and it hasn't come through all the way, and then I trash it. I just want the light to start going up right here, so I'm gonna add it right there. Ooh, do you see that? I'm gonna run it down this way. Okay, let me go do my hair and put on my shirt, and I'll be right back. Guys, this is the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys liked chit-chatting with me a little bit. I know I've been gone for a while, and I just wanted to come back and talk to you guys a little bit. I want to know if you're gonna wear it, and if you're gonna wear it, please go over on Instagram and tag me at LadyLilith1. In the meantime, I am uploading regularly now, or at least trying to. I'll figure out the best way to do it. It would be to upload my regular videos that I do for Instagram, the short sped up version on here as well. either a day or 2 days early before the release over on my Instagram to bring you guys more content if that's what you were missing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start doing this more regularly. I'm gonna start adding one of these videos, like a talk through and a chit chat video, at least once a week. If you guys want to know more of what I do day-to-day basis, go over on my Instagram and follow me, as well as my TikTok, which is right here. Go check it out. I have a little cutesy little videos over there. If you guys miss me, or if you don't see me uploading as much here, go check me out over on my other social medias. All the links are down below. Drink your water. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!